Only 1% can solve this. Who was the first president of the USA? George Washington. In which year did the USA gain independence? (1776). Who wrote the Declaration of Independence? Thomas Jefferson. What document declared freedom from Britain? Declaration of Independence. Which country did the USA gain independence from? Britain. Who was president during the Civil War? Abraham Lincoln. What war was fought between North and South? Civil War. What year did the Civil War end? (1865). What is the name of the first capital of the USA? New York City. Who freed the slaves? Abraham Lincoln. What is the name of the U.S. Constitution signing year? (1787). Who was the third U.S. president? Thomas Jefferson. Which war ended slavery? Civil War. What famous ship brought pilgrims to America? Mayflower. In which year did World War II end? (1945). Who was president during World War II? Franklin D. Roosevelt. Who was assassinated in 1865? Abraham Lincoln. What movement fought for civil rights? Civil rights movement. Who said I have a dream? Martin Luther King Jr. Which event happened in 1941? Pearl Harbor attack. Who was the first African American president? Barack Obama. What wall fell in 1989, ending Cold War tensions? Berlin Wall. Who discovered America in 1492? Christopher Columbus. What was the Cold War mainly between? USA USSR. Who bought Alaska for the USA? Andrew Johnson. Which amendment ended slavery? '13th. Who was the first woman on U.S. paper money? Susan B. Anthony. What year did the USA join World War I? (1917). Who was president during the Great Depression? FDR. What was the first permanent English colony? Jamestown. Who was known as the father of the Constitution? James Madison. What year was the Constitution ratified? (1791). Who led the Union Army in Civil War? Ulysses S. Grant. Which war followed World War II? Cold War. Who was the youngest U.S. president elected? JFK. Which city was bombed in World War II leading to Japan's surrender? Hiroshima. Who signed the Emancipation Proclamation? Abraham Lincoln. What event started the American Revolution? Boston Tea Party. Who was the first vice president? John Adams. What year did the USA become a nation? (1776). Out of 30 questions, how many did you get right? Share your score in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more fun quiz videos.